You might have noticed some color fringing along the edges of your images. Technically, that's known as chromatic aberration, and it happens in areas that have a lot of contrast. It's more pronounced along the edges of your images, and it's more noticeable when you photograph with a wider angle lens, especially if the quality of that lens is not very high. So let's take a look at what this chromatic aberration looks like. I'm going to zoom in here, and I can do that with a zoom tool, or I can use Command-Option-0 or Control-Alt-0 on Windows in order to zoom in. Then I'll hold down the space bar. That gives me the hand tool, and we can just scroll over to the top left area of our image. Because this video is going to be compressed, I can see the chromatic aberration here, but I really want to make it stronger. So I'm going to increase the saturation of the entire file to make sure that we can see this. So what I'm talking about as far as the fringing goes is the misalignment of the pixels. So we can see on the straight line here, on the left side, we've got a misalignment of that green axis, and over here, we've got the misalignment of the magenta axis, and that's what I'm trying to get rid of. In order to do this, we will scoot over to the lens correction panel and then click on Profile. I want to enable the lens profile correction. That's going to correct any distortion from the lens. And then at the very bottom, I'm also going to choose to remove the chromatic aberration. And you'll notice that that misalignment of pixels, that green to magenta shift, is now gone. So it's as easy as that to fix the chromatic aberration. You might find, though, that you're also seeing the chromatic aberration maybe in the center of your image, in which case what you might want to do is move over to the Manual tab and turn the defringing on to either the highlight edges or to all edges. And so you'll just want to look at your image, make sure that you're looking at it at 100%, and toggle between these two in order to see which one is correct for your photograph. There you have it, a fast and easy method to remove those color artifacts from along the edges of your images.